In this video, we will talk about kangaroos, icons of Australia. Kangaroos are one of the most iconic symbols of Australia, representing the country's unique wildlife and cultural identity. Known for their powerful hind legs, large tails, and distinctive hopping movements, kangaroos are fascinating marsupials that have captured the world's imagination. They are found throughout Australia and play a significant role in the country's ecosystems. This video explores the biology, behavior, habitats, cultural significance, and challenges kangaroos face in the modern world. 1. Physical characteristics of kangaroos. Kangaroos are large marsupials belonging to the family Macropodidae, which means big foot. They are well adapted to their environment, with muscular hind legs designed for jumping and long tails used for balance. Their unique mode of locomotion, hopping, is energy efficient and allows them to cover large distances quickly. There are 4 main species of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, eastern gray kangaroo, western gray kangaroo, and antilopine kangaroo. The red kangaroo is the largest, with males standing over 6 feet tall and weighing up to 200 pounds. Kangaroos have excellent vision and hearing, which helps them detect predators and navigate their surroundings. 2. Habitat and distribution. Kangaroos are found across Australia, from the arid deserts to lush coastal regions. Their habitats vary depending on the species. Red kangaroos prefer the open plains and grasslands of central Australia, while eastern gray kangaroos thrive in forests and woodlands along the eastern coast. Western gray kangaroos inhabit shrublands and dry forests in the southwest, and antilopine kangaroos are found in the tropical savannas of northern Australia. Their adaptability to different environments is a key reason kangaroos have thrived across the continent. However, they require access to food and water, and their movement patterns often depend on seasonal changes and resource availability. 3. Diet and feeding habits. Kangaroos are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They are well adapted to Australia's often harsh and dry conditions, with specialized teeth that allow them to grind tough plant material. Kangaroos are also ruminants, meaning they regurgitate and re-chew their food, which helps them extract maximum nutrients. Their feeding habits have a significant impact on their ecosystems. By grazing, kangaroos help control vegetation growth and maintain grasslands. Their movements also disperse seeds, promoting plant regeneration and biodiversity. 4. Social structure and behavior. Kangaroos are social animals, living in groups known as mobs. A mob typically consists of a dominant male, several females, and their young, as well as subordinate males. This social structure helps kangaroos protect themselves from predators, as group living allows them to share vigilance. Males often compete for dominance within a mob, engaging in boxing-like fights where they use their strong legs and tails to strike at each other. These displays of strength determine access to mates and establish hierarchy. Female kangaroos are responsible for raising joeys, baby kangaroos, in their pouches, where the young stay for several months before venturing out. 5. Reproduction and life cycle. Kangaroos have a unique reproductive process as marsupials. Females give birth to underdeveloped young, which crawl into the mother's pouch immediately after birth. The joey continues to grow and nurse in the pouch for up to 8 months, gradually spending more time outside as it matures. Kangaroos are capable of embryonic diapause, a process that allows them to delay the development of a new embryo until environmental conditions are favorable. This adaptation helps ensure the survival of their offspring, especially in unpredictable climates. 6. Role in ecosystems. Kangaroos play a vital role in maintaining the balance of Australia's ecosystems. As grazers, they prevent overgrowth of vegetation, which reduces the risk of wildfires and supports habitat diversity. By dispersing seeds, kangaroos contribute to plant reproduction and regeneration. Their presence also supports other species, as predators like dingoes and eagles rely on kangaroos as a food source. Kangaroos are an integral part of the food web, and their activities influence the health of the environments they inhabit. 7. Cultural significance. Kangaroos are a powerful symbol of Australia, deeply connected to the country's culture and identity. They are prominently featured on the Australian coat of arms, currency, and even logos of major companies, such as airlines, reflecting their significance as national icons. The kangaroo symbolizes progress and forward movement, as they are unable to move backward, embodying Australia's spirit of resilience and growth. For Indigenous Australians, kangaroos hold profound spiritual and cultural importance. They appear in traditional art, songs, and storytelling, often representing strength, adaptability, and the deep connection between people and the land. These stories passed down through generations highlight the kangaroo's role in their history and beliefs, as well as its importance in the natural environment. Kangaroos are more than just animals. They are a key part of Australia's identity, uniting people through their cultural, historical, and ecological significance. Their enduring presence in art, symbols, and everyday life showcases their role as a cherished and iconic species. 8. Challenges facing kangaroos. Despite their iconic status, kangaroos face numerous challenges in the modern world. Habitat loss due to urbanization, agriculture, and mining reduces the availability of food and shelter. Road accidents are a significant threat, as kangaroos often cross highways in search of resources. Climate change also impacts their survival, with prolonged droughts reducing water and food availability. Additionally, kangaroos are sometimes viewed as pests by farmers, leading to culling practices that aim to control their population. 9. Conservation and management. Efforts to conserve kangaroo populations include protecting their habitats, regulating culling practices, and promoting coexistence with humans. Wildlife corridors and fencing help reduce road accidents and conflicts with agriculture, providing safe passage for kangaroos while protecting crops. Conservation organizations work to raise awareness about the importance of kangaroos in ecosystems and advocate for their ethical treatment. Education programs play a key role in teaching communities about the ecological benefits of kangaroos, such as seed dispersal and vegetation management. Research into kangaroo behavior and population dynamics helps guide conservation policies to ensure sustainable management. Collaboration between governments, environmental groups, and local communities is essential to developing long-term solutions. These combined efforts aim to balance human needs with the survival and well-being of kangaroos in the wild. 10. The future of kangaroos. The future of kangaroos depends on effective conservation strategies and sustainable coexistence with humans. Protecting their habitats, managing populations responsibly, and addressing climate change are crucial steps to ensure their survival. As symbols of Australia, kangaroos remind us of the importance of preserving biodiversity and respecting the natural world. Kangaroos are truly remarkable animals that embody the unique beauty and resilience of Australia's wildlife. From their powerful legs to their social behaviors and ecological roles, kangaroos have much to teach us about adaptation and coexistence. By protecting these gentle hoppers and the ecosystems they inhabit, we ensure that future generations can continue to appreciate their importance and iconic status in the natural world. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.